Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot chocolate from dark chocolate. First, select a good quality dark chocolate, ideally with 70% cocoa or higher for a rich, deep flavor. You will also need your choice of milk, a sweetener like sugar or maple syrup, and a tiny pinch of salt. Having these ingredients ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Next, gently melt your dark chocolate. You can use a double boiler or a microwave on low power, stirring frequently. Once melted, slowly whisk in your milk, a little at a time, until the mixture is smooth and uniform. This gradual addition helps prevent the chocolate from seizing and ensures a creamy consistency for your delicious drink. If you are finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. And on another note, what pairs better with a warm cup of dark hot chocolate than a good book? You can read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. It is perfect for cozy evenings. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Now it is time to sweeten and flavor your hot chocolate. Stir in your chosen sweetener to taste. Remember, dark chocolate is less sweet. A small pinch of salt is crucial here, as it really brings out the chocolate's complex notes. For an extra layer of warmth, try adding a half teaspoon of vanilla extract or a dash of cinnamon. Finally, gently simmer your hot chocolate for about 2 to 3 minutes, stirring continuously to prevent it from sticking. Be careful not to let it boil, as this can affect the texture and flavor. Once it is perfectly heated, pour it into your favorite mug. Garnish with whipped cream, marshmallows, or a sprinkle of cocoa powder for a truly indulgent treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.